Hello from Henley's Happy Trails. Hope this video finds everyone safe, healthy, and happy. It's Memorial Day today, and we would like to take this opportunity to thank all of the fallen heroes, veterans, and active military for their service. We are work camping at Bethpage RV Park this summer. This season has been like no other in lieu of the pandemic. We started off training in March, and then the entire campground went dormant in April. They have slowly started opening up to seasonals, and this past weekend, overnight RVers came streaming in for 3 days of camping and celebrations. I am working in housekeeping, cleaning bathhouses and cabins, and Levi is bouncing between maintenance and helping out with ice cream sales. We haven't really gone anywhere except for the occasional trip to the post office, grocery store, or this cute little cafe to pick up their delicious homemade cinnamon rolls and muffins. Since our campground is pretty much situated along the Rappahannock River, Levi has been attempting to catch blue crabs using his newly purchased trap from Walmart.
One of them's upside down, and it looks like one of them got eaten. The water.
How are you supposed to grab it without it?
In theory, using a pair of barbecue tongs would be best. As long as you're not in the way of the pincher, you're pretty okay. This guy's kind of a softie.
Is this a male or a female?
This is a female.
How do you know?
Because of the bottom part right here, it's wide. And
the male is what, narrow?
yeah, I'm gonna check that one.
Okay.
I actually feel bad about killing a female, so I'm not going to, because they are the ones that make the babies. To go back. Lucky you.
Goodbye.
This one, on the other hand, looks feistier, and he's a male. See the pointy thing on the bottom instead of a round one? That would be a male. And
I think you should let him free. That's only one.
That is true, but I still want to eat him.
One little crab.
And he's going in the ice.
And how long do you keep him in the ice for?
They go in the ice slurry for 20 minutes, and that puts them in a coma. And then once they're in a coma, they will most humanely and painlessly be dispatched.
What's in the trap?
Chicken legs.
You're gonna put it back?
Squid chunks. Okay, so I've got my water ready to cook my crab. I only have one, so I don't have that much water in there. It's come to a boil, and I have 2 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning and about 1 tablespoon of regular salt. And there's a couple of methods to cooking a crab. The first one is the old school method, where you take the whole crab and toss it in the boiling water until the shell turns red, and then you clean it as you eat it. The other method is cleaning the crab, taking basically the guts out, so you're left with just the crab meat. And the guts or the mustard inside, typically if you're in water that has a lot of mercury or other heavy metals that you don't want in your body, that's where all of that stuff is. So by cleaning out the intestinal tract, you're not getting all of that stuff.
Oh, what is that beeping noise?
That beeping is my timer. So theoretically, I've had the crab in the ice slurry. So the most humane way to kill a crab that I have found looking through is to put the crab in a comatose state in a saltwater ice slurry. You want the same salt water that you took it from, and you want it to be kind of the consistency of concrete. After 20 minutes of being in that ice slurry, the crab goes into basically a coma. And so they'll be limp, they'll look like they're dead, and then 1 inch from behind the mouth of the crab, you stab into that area, and that'll sever their nerve just like their head, and they'll be dead instantly, and theoretically they won't feel any pain. And then I'm going to clean the crab and then toss it in the boiling water.